It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so the sun's shining very brightly, and we're about to do something very energetic. And why would we do something energetic on a really hot and sunny day? Well, it's King Taksin's inauguration to the throne day. And King Taksin was a king many hundreds of years ago, who was a bit of a warrior king, really, and he took Thailand back from the Burmese. And he's someone who many Thai people pray to, and they ask for help with various things. And so today, we collectively are going to give something back in thanks in a very Thai way. This weaving here is made of incense sticks. Is it easy to ride?
Not that hard.
Not that hard? Mine was pretty difficult.
Try this one.
It's more like a hyena than a horse. It's not very easy to ride, but it's quite satisfying. Well, the first one I was riding was really difficult to ride, and as I was pedaling, my legs were hitting the body of the horse. But this one is a little bit easier. The ride is planned for about 5 kilometres to the Taksin Monument and then 5 kilometres back. And so I hope they have a good time, and I might grab a taxi and meet them down there. All sorts of horses. We've decided that, I've decided that it's a little bit far to ride that crazy bicycle all the way to the Taksin Monument and back, and my friends are using me as an excuse.
Sorry?
Pretending they really wanted to. Well, this is it. We're at the festival for Taksin. It's about 6 p.m. and I'm with Alyssa, who is a receptionist from my hotel, and we're meeting her family in the Wongwien Yai. So this area is called Wongwien Yai, and the circle that we're going to is Wongwien Yai, that has a big statue of King Taksin, and he's the one that this festival's all about. So it's as much of a mystery to me as it is to you exactly what's going to happen here, but I've heard there are all sorts of things going on. And it's going to be very loud. And so all of this is a tribute to King Taksin. And we're just here at the moment waiting for a dance and some music to start. Which apparently will start any minute. on the road now. We need to get across the road. Ow! We finally made it to the food section. We finally found the family.
My dad, my mom, my auntie. Yeah, this is my little sister.
Oh, okay, great.
To find something to eat.
Well, their parents have just gone home. So we're in the food section. We're looking for something to eat. Well, we've found a place. It's a good diao. That means it's a soup place. And so I've ordered the senlek, which is the thin noodles. And she's ordered sen yai, which is the thicker noodles. And the place is hopping. Alright, that's it folks. We've finished our Gut Diao and we're going to walk out of this craziness. And that's it for tonight. I hope you enjoyed it.